Put 1 tablespoon of sugar into a cup of orange juice. Add some citric acid. Pour the juice into 4 tablespoons of gelatin. Let it swell up for about 10 minutes. Melt it in a microwave. Add green food coloring. Mix it. Pour it into a flat bottom plate. Put it into a fridge for half an hour. Cut the thick jelly into wavy strips. Daisy is shocked. She loves seafood too, but eating raw seaweed is way too much, and the blue-eyed girl gets so carried away with the green seaweed that she quickly swallows everything sticking to her. Ice cream on the beach is a brilliant idea. You can cool down under the hot sun. However, there is a danger to drop the melted ice cream right onto your friend's phone. Draw a puddle on a piece of paper. Cut it out. Cut off a part of a small foam plastic ball. Hot glue it to the paper puddle. Cover the puddle and the bottom of the ball with hot glue, making it look like melted ice cream. Coat it with an acrylic base paint. Paint the ice cream pale pink and yellow. Make a cone out of a piece of wafer-patterned paper. Cut off the excess and fasten the cone to the ball. Daisy leaves her phone unattended. That's a huge mistake. The blue-eyed girl hurries up to take advantage of the opportunity to prank her friend. She puts the fake ice cream onto Daisy's phone and hides her real one behind her backpack. Daisy is in despair. But once she touches the ice cream puddle, she understands that it's a prank. Daisy covers her friend's nose with her ice cream in revenge. Huh, very funny. Here you are. The blue-eyed girl enjoys lying on a pool mattress, bobbing up and down on the waves. The hot summer sun and the blue sky, everything is calm and serene. Meanwhile, a dangerous predator is moving towards its prey, slowly but inevitably. A random splash of water nearby makes the girl worry. Someone must be swimming too close. Oh, darling! It's a shark! Draw a template of a shark fin. Add an arch for a head. Cut it out. Trace the template on extruded polystyrene foam. Cut off the excess to shape a fin. Smooth it with sandpaper. Apply acrylic base paint. Mix white, black, and blue acrylic paints. Color the shark fin in gray. Hot glue 2 wide rubber bands to the front and the back of the head arch. Join the ends. Hot glue another rubber band to the joining. In this way, the construction will be fastened on your head like a bike helmet. The blue-eyed girl falls from the mattress into the water, trying to swim away from the dangerous marine predator. But when she turns around, she notices Daisy right at the moment when she comes up to inhale some air. Aha! Now I see what the shark is! The blue-eyed girl has warmed up under the sun while reading an exciting book. Suddenly, her friend, like a marine nymph wearing flippers, sprinkles her with a water gun. Ouch! Getting cool water on the hot body is far from being pleasant. Well, you'll pay for it! The 2 girls armed with water guns running along the beach is a real show, and cold water will cool down both. The blue-eyed girl is tired of sunbathing. She wants to chat with her friend, but Daisy is so tired of swimming and pranking that she dozed off right on her towel. I've got an idea. The blue-eyed girl covers Daisy with another towel and ties up the corners. At last, Daisy wakes up. Is it some kind of a cocoon? And how am I supposed to get out of it? Well, it's a creative idea for a new summer season. The Beach Fashion Week is officially open, and her friend shoots the celebrity walking down the improvised catwalk with her phone. Did you like our new summer beach pranks? Then write in your comments how you are going to prank your friends on vacation. Will you make an edible coral or jelly seaweed? Pretend to be a shark or sneak in a toy crab? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas on the Troom Troom channel.